In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the blender actuator on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located behind your glove box. Before tackling this job, you want to disconnect the battery. Start with the negative terminal using a 13mm socket. Now if your bolt starts to spin, use an open-ended wrench or pliers to hold it. Back the bolt off, give it a twist, and lift it up. Now from the passenger side, you want to go ahead and open up that glove box, drop that down. You want to empty out any of your items that might be in the glove box. Now up inside here on the glove box itself, there's going to be two hooks and they go up on the back side. Now these hooks stop on two rubber flaps. So you need to reach up inside here, push those rubber flaps towards the front of the Jeep, and then slowly release the glove box. It'll work its way by. Now right here are the two tabs that are supporting that glove box itself. Once you get it down so far, you should be able to go ahead and just lower that down in a position and you can let it rest there. So right inside here, we have the rubber block. There's one right here that you're going to be pulling out and the other one is right over here. Now right up inside here, you're going to find the blend door unit and there's an electrical connector right here. So you're just going to pull up on this tab and wiggle that connector off. With that off, you're going to find a Phillips head screw right here, and then there's one just on this back corner right here. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove those. All right, once we have those two screws out, just reach up inside, grab that actuator and pull it straight out towards you. And there we have it. And you can see on the back side here that is keyed in a particular position. Now on our new component here, the orientation of the adapter here is not correct to match up with the unit itself. It is off a little bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect the connector, snap that on. I'm going to go ahead and position this here. Then we're going to reconnect the battery. And then we're going to turn the ignition key on, and this should automatically adjust to the position that the old unit was at. Now at this point, we should be able to go ahead and line this up. I'm just going to slide that onto that shaft here. And line that up, push that into place. Now we can install our screws. You just want to gently snug those down. Once that's bottomed out, just give it a little bit more. Doesn't have to be super, super tight. Just make sure that it's in there snug. And do the same for this one here. Just snug that down. Once you have those screws in, go ahead and grab that glove box. So you're just going to push this up inside. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.